Whoa! This reminds me of that one. Every fat villain boss battle be like, boom. It's gonna make me cry for real. Gosh, stage 6. What the frick? What's this? 3:50 a.m.
Juliet, can you hear me, Juliet?
Morikawa-sensei!
Sensei!
Can you hear me, Juliet? My prized student. It is impossible to rest in peace with all this going on.
Sensei, are you alive?
He just said rest in peace, Juliet.
Maybe he's trying to take a nap, Nick.
Yeah.
His voice is all ghosty and creepy and weird. It's a sure sign he's dead.
How would you know?
I am contacting
You're on my cheek.
the land beyond words. I'll guide you the best I can, but the reception here is terrible, so listen carefully.
Yes, Sensei.
Yes, Sensei.
Really, Nick? The fate of our whole town is in the balance and you're gonna take the time to mock me? I just heard you. You're right
It was the
there.
wind or something.
Please, both of you, but be careful. He is, shall we say, cranky.
I'll try. I will try.
Juliet, watch out!
Whoa!
I think you can use the cars to make a path.
The what? What cars? Oh my. Why? Oh yeah. Come on, hit me. Go, 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 go. Come on. Alright, let's go. Go! Oh my god. Can I shoot my gun? Okay, I literally can't. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Move! End him.
Done and done.
Okay, let's keep going. Come on. Keep it going, keep it going. Go. Oh, that was it. Okay, come on. Up, 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 up. Oh. I'm out. I'm out. Move. You gotta keep it going. Keep the dash going.
Really, Nick? The fate of our whole town is in the balance and you're gonna take the time to mock me?
Girl, what? Turn! Who calling? Mom?
Juliet and Nick, it's me again. Follow it to that bastard.
Okay, yeah, tell me something I don't obviously see in front of me.
So they never taught you how to fight one of these killabilly things?
Zombies, vampires, Sasquatches?
You killed a Sasquatch?
Sure, tons. Sasquatches are dicks. But this kind of monster, I didn't even know it existed.
Oh gosh, shoot. Whoa. Hang on. Let's take a picture. Yeah. Cheeseburger. Oh my.
Oh, good. Zombies that shoot laser beams out of their eyes. Yeah, I felt like something was missing.
Okay, I don't want to hear it from you. Jump, jump, jump. What do I do? What do I do? Oh, here.
Well, what else have you killed?
Leprechauns. I killed a whole tribe of Frankenberries once.
Frankenberry? From like the cereal?
Ugh, that is total propaganda to get you to trust them.
Oh, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Come on. Where'd he go? He just disappeared. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, I'm about to dash my out of here. Go, 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 go. Oh my god, I missed everything. Come on. Oh. Now what? Let's go. Break the damn thing for me already. I'm sick of this. There we go. Whoa!
I don't know if I haven't gotten this far in my training.
Don't matter. Don't matter, King. You don't have to. Should we change?
Wait.
Oh wait, we haven't done this clown one yet. Cute! Look at this freaking zombie in the back. Wow. We here. We here. New costume. Oh gosh. Let go of me. What'd you? Go. Huh? Ew.
There's gotta be a way. We have to think.
You're the one with the head here. Yuck.
Shoot his damn eyes out!
Oh. Forgot about that. Come on, shoot his eyes.
Shoot his damn eyes out!
I'm trying, I'm trying, I'm trying. Reload. Come on. Don't you dare. Okay, I obviously shot that. Shooting him in the eye, in the eye, in the eye! I don't want to use my ult yet. What does that flicking do? Nothing?
Oh, this dude has tried to grab me more than Father O'Malley.
I don't care. Ooh.
Shoot his damn eyes out!
Oh, his glasses are off. Open up.
This isn't possible. He's too strong.
You can do it. Come on. Yuck. Really? No! No, 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 no! Are we serious? Oh, God. Is he blind or something? Okay, hang on.
Awesome.
I could use more bullets. So let's go! Come on, make it work. What is going on? I'm just gonna ignore that. Oh, he playing toy car. Are you serious? Whoa! This reminds me of that one. Every fat villain boss battle be like. Boom. Anyway. In the face, 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 tongue coming out, tongue coming out. In the face, in the face, in the face, in the face, in the face. What do you want me to do? Break this? Ugh. Come on, right in the nose. Oh gosh. I gotta get up. Just get up. I can't see a damn thing. Oh yeah, this is it. Bye. Really?
This
You already
isn't
wanna play
possible.
this?
He's too strong.
I'm stronger. I'm stronger, babe. In case you haven't noticed. Come on.
Awesome.
Why not? Why not?
You ready?
Bye. Oh, we using all the combos now. We using all the combos now.
Juliet, you can do it.
Oh, now you got faith in me? Whoa! Blow up then. Blow up then. Who that? My mom? Is that mommy? Oh. What's that about? Absolutely left. Whoa! No. Oh, I have to get his fingers. I have to get his fingers. Get his fingers, get his fingers. Get his fingers, get his fingers. Oh, and they grow right back. Oh my. Damn! Watch out. Okay. Okay, what the?
This isn't possible. He's too strong.
I'm gonna throw you off this damn roof. I don't want to hear it. I don't have any more bullets. Move! What the? Do I get in the truck?
Try jumping on his body.
Where'd you get that idea? Oh my god. Oh my. I could use some bullets. Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Is his health not freaking gone? Oh. RD. Go, 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 go.
Do it now. Jump on his body.
I'm trying.
Did you see the way that dude's head back there splattered all
X.
over everything? If I had put you in a mailbox,
A.
you would have missed that.
B. 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 B.
It was pretty cool.
What the hell was that? Mommy!
Juliet, can you hear me?
I don't care about
Listen
you!
carefully, as our connection is tenuous. You must do as I say.
Okay.
You're making good progress. A path will open for you if you move ahead, through his mouth and into his body.
Great.
Well, I'm pretty good at keeping guys out of my body. Never tried getting inside of someone else's.
Whoa. Do it. Do it, do it, do it.
Juliet, look out!
Whoa! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That just...
Go,
No.
Juliet, now! Before the hole closes!
But my daddy! No!
You must go into Killer Billy's body before the hole your father created closes! His weakness is inside his body!
That was tragic as hell.
I can't.
Listen to me. You have to go now.
I'm about to throw
Your
you in there.
dad did what he did because he trusted you. Show him he was right to believe in you.
Oh, now you want to be all Mr.
Okay, Nick. Let's get this over with.
I guess. Damn, our dad died.
Juliet! Juliet! Can you hear me?
I don't want to.
I don't know. Be careful! Juliet!
Oh my god, Dad. I really hope this was worth it.
I
Oh
agree.
my god, the stench.
Oh, I bet. Yuck. Oh my goodness. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Juliet, are you there?
Sensei?
That
Who that?
is a mountain of tainted flesh, held together by evil spirits. You have to send a signal from its core, commanding it to self-destruct. Once the body is destroyed, all of the captured souls will be sent back to Rotten World. Take control of his core and make him destroy himself
How?
by detonating a Nick bomb.
A what?
What?
You have throughout this battle, you must connect Nick's head to Swan's body.
But what will happen to Nick?
Nick will die. But perhaps
Sensei? I can't hear you.
Shit. You wanted to leave anyway. Look at him. Look at him. He wanted to do something like this. He'd rather be in a frickin' dumpster. Nah, I'd be sad too.
You were right all along, Juliet. There's a reason I'm here. There's a plan greater than all of us. But it's time to say goodbye. Put me there and make the bomb.
What?
You need to put me on Swan's body. It's the only way to stop him.
Nick, no!
It kind
He
of
said
is.
you'll die.
Your dad died.
Juliet, it's okay. I feel strong for the first time in my life. I feel lucky to have been on this journey with you and your family. I feel like a zombie hunter.
Aww.
I can't, Nick. I don't want to be without you.
I know, baby. But sometimes there are more important things than what we want in life.
Nick.
It's gonna make me cry for real. Do the right thing, girl. Oh my god. Cut it out.
I love you so much.
I love you too, baby. More than anything.
Save the world. We saved the world. Oh my god.
Yes!
B plus, B plus, B plus, B plus. Oh my god, what? Are we serious? No. We haven't even seen our mom.
Nick! Yes, son. Because of your honor and sacrifice, the mad feast has come to an end.
Oh my gosh.
You have truly been a hero. The
my gosh.
glorious ones have chosen to bless you with a reward.
What?
But unfortunately, in the shuffling of this death and that death, this body and that, there was a small mix-up.
Huh?
a mix-up?
I will be watching you from above. So please, in my memory, have Juliet do plenty of cartwheels while wearing those little white panties with the teddy bears.
I'm sorry, what? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Juliet?
Nick!
Juliet!
Please tell me he has his body back. Yay! Oh hell no!
The mix-up. I've got Morikawa's body.
Oh.
Well, what the hell, I guess.
He's a short king now. He's a short king. Hey, I'll take it. I'll take it.
Face suckers!
What?
Here!
Oh my god, he's alive.
Daddy, you're okay.
Yep. Think I lost a testy in the blast, but what the hell?
Oh
Only
my
need
goodness.
one.
Looking great, sir.
Oh my goodness. I really thought he's dead too.
Well, best
Oh
hurry. Your mama's gonna be worried.
my goodness.
Daddy, don't you think you should go to the hospettle?
Not
What
necessary.
hospital?
I used a staple gun up there to put the old stroke back together again. I'm a new man.
Whoa.
Completely horrifying. You know what? This has really been the best birthday ever.
Yeah! Wow. Oh my goodness. Hey, 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 hey! Girl, hurry up. End the damn song already. Oh my god, I really danced to that whole damn song. Wow! Wait. There they go, they're going home. Oh my gosh, they're going home.
Mom, I'm home.
Mama, your lover boy is back.
Everyone, where were you?
Oh no.
You were supposed to be home hours ago.
Mom, I have someone I want you to meet.
Mrs. Starling, hi, I'm Nick.
Yay!
Oh, you're Juliet's friend.
Mom, what's wrong?
Oh no, what's wrong with her?
Juliet?
Come on in, everyone. Time for dinner.
Holy mother! Oh!
And by dinner, I mean you.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What? Bad ending. What happened? What just happened? What just happened? Just happened. Mom, you're a damn zombie. I don't know how you're able to even talk right now.
Hey Juliet, it's Mom. I'm getting everything ready for your party tonight. We have a few surprises. Where are you? Can't wait. Love you.
Yeah, we know what that surprise was. What the hell is wrong with our mom? Wow, well, we completed it. Oh my gosh, not with the best record, but honestly, a good one. I think we did do the parking lot. That was the end credits, pretty much. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!